What's up, everybody? I received this check in the mail yesterday, and it reminded me that I have not done this video yet. So, today we're going to be talking about cashback sites, whether they work or not. Obviously, they do. You just saw my check. And how to use them, where to use them, the easiest way to use them. It's quite simple. So, first of all, let's pull up. I have my two cashback sites that I use most of the time. I use Honey sometimes, but Honey is weird, and I'm not going to get into it because Honey really don't pay anything, and they give you gift cards, not cashback. I mean, maybe they've changed. I don't know, but that's what they offer me, and I have never gotten a payout from them. I could. It'd just be like $10 gift card, and forget that. We want cash money. All right. So first, we're going to take a look at Rakuten. And what you could do is you could download their uh what is this called? What are these called? The extension. Yes, you get their extension, their Google Chrome extension, and whenever and you can do the same thing for Retailmenot. So I have Retailmenot and I have Rakuten. And here's the Retailmenot button. I click that up there. You see that, and then Rakuten. And what's cool about these things is they're not just cashback sites, but they're also coupon sites. You might be familiar with Retailmenot. Like I use it everywhere I go. I have the app on my phone, and if you even have your location on when you pull up to a mall or a store, it'll alert you say, "Boop, we have these coupons for this store," and you can just pull up the coupon, show it to them, you get the money off. I mean, it's amazing. But they've probably maybe a year or two ago branched out and started offering cashback as well. I'm going to try to find a website that has both. I already know one that probably does. Let's try Children's Place. So we're going to go to Children's Place. I want you guys to see what happens when you go to the site when you have the extensions plugged in. Matter of fact, you even see it's in my search results right here. You see this R for Rakuten, 1% cash back. So let's go click it. I think Retailmenot going to pop up though. So all right. This is always good. All right, so you see the pop-up. So I knew Retailmenot was going to come in. All right, so let's close these out right now. Now, first of all, we have get $10 off if you sign up for the emails. Now, I just went to Children's Place and let my kids shop, and they spent $130. I don't know how a 6 and 7-year-old, they were just picking out stuff. It's crazy. But anyway, so I wish I'd have just did this and shopped online. So you sign up, and all you need is the email address. If you already have done it before, just make up a new email address. Just do that over again, change the name up, whatever, and get your $10. So boom, you have that, right? So let's say we were going to get our $10 off, and we were going to buy some stuff. It had to be at least $40. Yeah, see, they got me because all these graphic T-shirts. I think my daughter actually got that one. It was $4.99, not $3.99. So anyway, let's say we're going to get these things. Let's get this. Add the bag. Just make up some stuff. Add the bag. All right. And we did that. And let's say it was 40. Well, let's do some more. Let's do another one. I'm going to add this to the bag too. I'm going to do 3 of them just so we can get that over $40 there. I'm confused. Why is it just $27? What is going on? What kind of sale is this? Didn't I say I wanted 3 of? Hold on, y'all. I need to work this out. Okay, y'all just added 1. Okay, I guess they won't let you do more than 1. All right, let's go back. Do all the stuff manually. Okay, let's do the $15 one. Let's try that again. Okay, so we are at $42. This is enough. If you read that fine print real fast when I was showing you the $10 thing, it had to be over $40. So, boom, we got our $10, which is going to bring this down to $32.95. And if we go view bag, now you say, okay, all right, I have Slick Deals too. Slick Deals doesn't really do the cash back, but they'll find coupons just like Retailmenot and Rakuten. So usually what I do is this. So let's apply coupons for Slick Deals. I actually forgot all about them. I never used them for cashback. It says, okay, you've got the best price. And what it does is try all these coupon codes for you so you don't have to be on the hunt for it. Now let's try Retail Me Not. It will be generally the same deal. If there were coupon codes that were available, they will pop up here. And to just confirm that, we can go to retailmenot.com and we can say Children's Place. Yeah, nah, they don't have any coupons for real. No, none at all. Nothing we didn't see already. I wanted to go to a store that had coupons so you guys can see. That's free shipping, 40% off. Those are not real coupons. Oh, Zazzle might be a good one. So let's finish up over here. So we see Retail Me Not is 3% cash back. We say, okay, well, let's see what Rakuten is doing. We click that and we'll see activate 1% cash back. And Rakuten is also showing some potential coupons here, but we already know that none of these coupons are going to work, so we can ignore that. And if you really want to hack it, occasionally it'll show coupon codes here. Here you can copy the coupon code, put it in, and then go back to Retail Me Not because it's offering you 3% cash back as opposed to 1% cash back, and activate that. So we're going to activate that, boom. And just like that, if I made this purchase, I would get 3% cash back. Now let's go over to Zazzle. You see Honey has popped up over there. And Honey is weird. So we see Honey's offering this coupon right here, Zappy Dad Day. Okay, we're going to copy that. But we're not going to use the copy. We're not going to use them though because their rewards are so ambiguous, 1 to 6%. I need to know exactly what I'm getting. Let's click Rakuten. Rakuten is not showing anything. They don't have any cash back for them. And then Retail Me Not is 1% cash back. But at least we know it's for real 1% cash back. And you see down here, they have a bunch of codes, right? So this is why I like Retail Me Not. You see, let's see if they had the same one over here. Yep, it does. So, Honey is not all that sophisticated. I've been using Retail Me Not for over 5 years as a coupon company. So hopefully that kind of shows you how it works. Now let's get into my payouts and how you receive payment. So generally within 30 days, depending on the store, sometimes it's longer, you'll see the credit pop up. Now my wife has been tearing Saks up the past couple of weeks. And we can see sometimes, let's see, shopping trips. It kind of show you where you shop. All right, yeah. So she's been tagging all this Bloomingdale, Saks, and Seven for All Mankind. So it's showing you which ones have paid out. That was probably me at Walmart. Order amount 0, cashback amount 0. Okay, so I must have bought something that was not eligible. So Saks here, we spent $174. They paid back $351. It just shows the order amount there. So we see that you place an order, cashback for this should be processed by Saks by 5/24, which is today. So that should pop up. And these apparently haven't processed yet. So that's generally kind of how it works. It takes a little time sometimes for the cashback to pop up, but we see over here my lifetime cashback has been $137.74. And even though it says that I've been a member since 2018, I didn't start using it till last year when the pandemic first hit. So this has pretty much been within the past year. Let's see. Okay, so now let's go and look at my big fat check history. Now, I personally don't prefer checks, but it's okay. So they've sent this is the last one. I just got this in the mail yesterday, and it was for $44. Apparently, $40 of that was refer a friend bonus. Now, here's the cool thing about the refer a friend bonuses. All right, and right here it says it's $30. Now, people shun away for some reason when people are like, "Yeah, use my link below." But the cool thing about Rakuten is, it's like, look, we know most of y'all selfish, so click this link and we'll give you $30 too. So I'm going to leave the link below. You sign up. You click the link. Yes, I'm gonna get $30, but so will you. You gonna leave $30 on the table just so I can't get $30? That doesn't make any sense. So yeah, refer your friends. They join and spend $30, and then we both get $30. So you gotta actually use the site first. So I had 2 people actually use that, and it was during a time where it was $20, and now it's $30, which is pretty significant. So that's that. Let's go back to the history. That was just then. You see the month before that, last month, I got a check for $11.42. And then in November, I got them for $28, August $36, and last April $12. Because that's, like I said, I started like last March when the pandemic first started. So there you go. There's the proof of that pudding. And if you add all this up, it should be whatever that is, $137.74. Now let's go over to Retailmenot. Now I use Retailmenot more than anything. Because mainly I buy a lot of my stuff that I resell, like my t-shirts and shoelaces and lace locks and socks and stuff like that from AliExpress or DHgate, and sometimes Alibaba when I get real big loads, and they give cash back on that. So we can see all my rewards activity again with the sacks, right? And I'm puzzled. What is this? Did this just happen? From the children's place? Yes. Okay, so you see how instant that is. So I didn't buy anything from Saks. I just went and activated it, and I just now activated it on the children's place, and it popped up in my activity already. That's crazy. So we see all these things. Probably, what did I get from AliExpress? I spent $36. I don't know. It's probably a sample or something. Some hat or something like that. Lowe's. Lowe's doesn't generally pay out that much. 5%, that was kind of significant during that time. Let's see, 5%. Man, if I see another 5% from Lowe's, sometimes they do like 10 or 15% during the holidays. That's when you want to do all your major purchases. Sometimes it has some little disclaimer though, where it's like up to $50 or whatever. So see my DHgate and all that. Me making bigger purchases there. DHgate, I probably spent a lot there. Yeah, $2,400. All right, and then yeah, Best Buy. I think I bought a game. What did I buy? Oh, I bought. What did I pay through that? I think I bought a Xbox or something. That was in September. I must have bought an Xbox or something, or I think I bought a GoPro. I don't know, but anyway. So that's what it is. Again, I just want to show you guys how long I've been using this. This goes always back to July. And the first thing I bought was this Vitamix. And I bought this Vitamix, I think, in March or April. But things were like shipping was real slow during that time. So there you go. So I purchased it in May. Wow, almost exactly a year ago now. And I'm going to do Vitamix is amazing. I need to do a video on that. But so I spent $5.49. And again, it was up to $50. So that gave me 10% cash back, and they gave me $50 on that. Now, and I've been using this obviously again for exactly a year now, and my lifetime payout. Let's see what that is. Okay, so we see my lifetime rewards. My lifetime rewards is $195.18. Again, that's from the last year. And then I have $96.18 pending. Now, all I got to do, I'm not going to click because it's going to show you all my private information, but I can click rewards. It's going to give me 2 options to either be paid out via Venmo or be paid out through PayPal. So I'm going to go ahead and do that today. I'm not going to do it live again, like I said, because it's going to show you all my personal information, but it's actually quite simple. And that's pretty much it. So unfortunately, Retailmenot doesn't like pay me for telling you guys about it, but I'll leave the link below anyway. I wish they did. They offer that incentive for everyone, so you can get something and I can get something, but hey, they don't. I think that's pretty much it. So I've been wanting to make this video for a while just so you guys can save money when you're shopping online. You're buying the stuff anyway. You just click that little activate link and you can either get potentially a coupon code plus cashback. And if you really want to hack it, use a good cashback credit card. Even if you have bad credit and can't get a credit card, there's a way that you can get a secured credit card that will still give you cash back. Navy Federal is excellent for that. If you guys want me to make a video explaining, how to go about that, how to choose credit cards and all that stuff, I'll help you out with that. But, some of them pay 1, 2, or 3% on all purchases, and sometimes, like I know Discover cards during certain times of the year, they'll pay you more depending on where you're shopping from. And yeah, you can get a significant discount off of your purchases. So anyway, that's it. Hopefully this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.